Planning a trip to Tokyo. The metro is fast, reliable, affordable, and spotless. But get on at the wrong time and it turns into a human sardine can. Today I'm breaking down the Tokyo Metro's worst times to ride, and when to ride instead, for a smooth, stress-free journey in Japan's busiest city. Tokyo's metro system is one of the most efficient in the world. With over 8 million daily riders, it's the lifeblood of the city. But here's the catch. Most locals commute by train, meaning the metro becomes a human funnel during rush hours. If you're not prepared, it can turn into a nightmare. We're talking zero personal space, missed trains, and sweaty suits in summer. Let's break it down by time, starting with the most chaotic hours. Morning rush 7:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. This is when office workers, students, and pretty much everyone is heading out. The worst of it, around 8 a.m., especially on lines like the Tozai line and Cho line, which regularly hit 200% capacity. Yes, you're standing, squished, sometimes pushed in by staff known as Oshia, or pushers. It's not a myth, it's real. Evening rush 5:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. The after-work rush is just as hectic. Everyone's heading home or going out for dinner. Trains are packed, stations are noisy, and again you'll be battling crowds, especially at hubs like Shinjuku, Tokyo Station, and Ikebukuro. Late morning 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. This is the sweet spot. Most commuters are already at work and school is in session. This is your chance to see Tokyo like a local, but without the body heat. Late evening. If you're a night owl, trains become manageable again after about 8:30 p.m. Still busy in some areas, but nothing compared to rush hour. Weekends are less intense unless there's a festival, sports event, or you're near a popular spot like Harajuku or Shibuya. In that case, mid-morning to early afternoon is best. Use Google Maps or Hyperdia. These apps show crowd levels and train schedules. Google Maps in Japan even tells you which train cars are least crowded. In Tokyo, stand on the left side of escalators. In Osaka, it's the right. Get a Suica or Pasmo card. Tap and go. It's faster, easier, and you can even use it for convenience stores. Avoid luggage in rush hour. Locals will not appreciate it, and you might not even fit on the train. Tokyo's metro can be your best friend or your worst enemy. Avoid those peak times, follow these tips, and you'll travel like a pro. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more travel tips for around the world.